Docks Industries PM90 Pot Magnets are a quick and easy alternative to traditional fasteners. It is not always advisable to drill into structural steel in order to support lightweight cables. High-powered pot magnets offer a fast, convenient, and mess-free solution. PM90 pot magnets are composed of a rare earth neodymium magnet set in a steel pot. The steel pot focuses the adhesive force in one direction, making them extremely strong and well-suited for a variety of applications. Typical applications include temporary construction sites, gas stations or other hazardous environments, and the film industry. Docks pot magnets have a rated breakaway strength of 90 pounds and feature quarter-20 machine threads. They are sold in master cartons of 100 pieces and in boxes of 10 for field assembly or for other applications. For your convenience, we offer a full line of bridle rings pre-assembled to PM90 pot magnets. We also offer a full line of HPH J-hook magnet assemblies in both top and side mount configurations. When working with strong magnets, it is important to heed the warnings listed on our website.